all the rear trailing arm suspension is off. I just gotta get rid of the rear sway bar, power wash all this, and go ahead and hit it with the undercoat. I also got rid of the other suspension over here. So I'm gonna be using all this since this is the 1-inch ASR sway bar. It's discontinued. Go ahead and just clean all this up. That's my third brake light underneath. So I'm gonna have to wire all that up. It's getting there. I'll be putting in the new trailing arms that I got rebuilt after I make this look all really nice under here. So stay tuned. All right, it's time to hit the 3M undercoating. I already got everything masked off that I don't want paint. So time to start laying it on. So for what I'm told, you don't want to go heavy with this. You want to just go kind of light. Just a few like that. And then just wait like half an hour at least before you do the next one. Might be a little hard to see, but I got everything undercoated. I don't know if you can see all that. Coming along nice. I just do light coats, and it's the 3M undercoating rubberized. So, show you the other side real quick. So everything looks really nice and fresh. Just put bolts in so you don't get some in the threads. Everything slowly coming together. Alright, I'm all finished installing the rear. Everything's looking nice, everything's undercoated. All I need is some coilovers. I'll probably go with some K-tunes this time around, but slowly but surely, everything's coming together. So hopefully this goes well. This is what I'm going to be using just to get rid of these little spots. So, I mean, carpet's already pretty good. It's just always that driver's side here. So let's hope for the best. Let's see. Yeah, not bad. Alright, let me hit up the whole thing. It's probably hard to tell on video, but it's black now. Before it has that bluish kind of hint to it. So, I like black. Like my soul. Alright, time to install this. Well, I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit, dry out. I gave it 1.5 cans. So, alright, I'll show once it's installed. Alright, and it's installed. It looks really good. Car's starting to take shape, at least in the inside. Got some G development bolts on the dead pedal. Install those with the proper cables from JDM of Ohio direct. So, both cages ready to go. So, little by little, starting to take shape. So, I noticed some right-hand drive cars still have this on the opposite side. So, luckily I was able to source everything. So that's pretty much it for today's video. I did a lot done today. So you can see everything is done, ready to go. That one, I just got to get the X bar still. Not looking forward to that. I hate doing that, but alright, till next video. I also did this custom cut. Cut it up right here so you can see more of the shifter. when you're inside the car, because the other one comes up to like right here and it kind of covers it. We'll see how I feel about it. I ended up using the little trim from the doors right here. So once the dash and all the interior pieces are back in, we'll see how I feel about it. If not, maybe I'll just cut it straight down right here so I can still use this. Integra Type S. Fully coming together. Alright, that's it for today's video. I still have more car parts coming in, like bushings for the front sway bar. I gotta go pick up the spindles. I gotta get the K-Tune front LCAs. And once I have all that, I'll be assembling the front and undercoating everything, so I'll keep you guys posted. Have a good one. Peace.